Hi, this is Vaibhav Guthari, and in this video, we have with us Kirti Bajaj, CA Kirti Bajaj, who has All India rank 22 in his CA final examinations November 20, All India rank 48 in CA intermediate exam. इन्होंने अपनी आर्टिकलशिप EY से कंप्लीट की है और अभी भी EY में टैक्स कंसल्टेंट है. सो हाय की,
Hi, Vaibhav.
तो आप अपना इंट्रो देना चाहेंगे कुछ?
Yeah, so as you rightly mentioned already, I'm CA Kirti Bajaj, a newly qualified chartered accountant. I have cleared my CA in this November 20 with All India rank 22. And yes, I've been an All India ranker in IPCC, and I have joined into a taxation department in Ernst & Young. So, yeah.
So, how difficult or easy was it to manage your studies with your articleship?
So to be honest, yeah, it was a little difficult since work culture in Big Four requires your dedication equally. So you can't actually compromise on your work as well just for the purpose of studies. So yes, timings and all were a little difficult here because it was at times we would be late, we had seasons, and in tax, basically the normal work goes on whole of the year, and in season times there is an extra effort you are supposed to put here. So my work usually consists of tax compliance, tax advisory, and regulatory and litigation. Everything is included in this. So I'm into corporate taxation and EY. So work-wise, I had amazing exposure, and yes, it has also added in my international taxation actually, which I have chosen as my elective. So my articles for sure have contributed to those tax papers which I have written. Otherwise, so basically because of timing, so it was very difficult to start to study at night or something. So I would attend my classes in the morning. So morning 6 to 9:30, I was having a class. Then I would go to office. I would log in like 10:30 to 11, and then till night I would be working. So I started my classes after one year or 1.5 year approx, with certain subjects which I thought would not change, like AMA and I mean SCMP and SFM. First, I started with SFM, and then I did SEMPE from local faculty, and then FR, then audit, then law, and taxes. This was the process which I used in tax in subject wise. But yes, for my examinations, SEMP was the wrong choice because that got drastically changed later on. So I had to do like a study, self study, in my study leave. Otherwise, so I manage my classes, like I would go at like 100% attendance. It's basically very much required, because it's sometimes you retain things what you listen, and then it helps in your articleship. So sorry, in your study leave. So it's like I used to go to classes at any like I wouldn't miss classes, and then I would come to office and do till night. So starting of my classes, like 1.5 year, like 2 years of my articleship, it was little difficult to study in the nights or something. So I wouldn't study as such. I would try to revise whatever was there. But yes, when I started taking tax classes, which was at the end of my articleship, 2.5 years, I I had in my mind to complete those subjects along with my classes. The preparation is there. Like doing, I used to even do sums in the night. Even I had a friend partner. So you can make a study partner in your articleship, which helps you. So you both can support each other in studying. Like how we used to do was we used to get on the call and we used to revise whole subject. So explaining each other. So this is a technique which everyone can use, explaining your friends. So that will help you to retain for long term. Because if you just read, it's difficult to retain because it's a long period wherein you'll have to retain the matter which you studied during your articleship. So what in my opinion, is what a one person should do. He should focus on understanding things during your articleship. That is understanding all the subjects, whatever classes you take. clear of your doubts, try to do practical subjects also. You can take up small questions every day-to-day basis. So everything in CA articleship requires a consistency. Small steps make a huge difference later point of time. So you can proceed with small steps. Little is better. And weekends I used to study basically. Whatever in the weekdays, since my articleship was there, weekends on and off I would have work. So I would even have off time. So I used to sit after classes with my friends. I used to study. So back then, sitting with friends will motivate you. So you can do that after class. You can study. You can try to complete few chapters. Like it's fun with study. So yeah, you can do during articleship.
Okay. If any CA beginner student like me or my friends see at your profile that it is like for us, it is a dream that like CA, All India rank in CA intermediates, then All India rank in CA finals, articleship from Big Four, job in Big Four. So, how was your experience like?
वैसे तो आर्टिकलशिप में सॉरी व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग माय आईपीसीसी एज सच मेरे को पता था कि आई वांटेड टू समवेयर गो टू अ बिग फोर अ बिग फर्म आई हैड दिस इन माय माइंड and I knew that there were two ways to get into it. One was reference, one is your rank. So that is I just hit the rank. That was 48. If you see, it's like 50, 48 type just to get into that. And after that, after getting into, what I realized here is when I'm seeing people here, it so there was little less pass percentage here when I saw with my experience with the people whom I was working with. So I realized it is going to be a huge challenge here to to get a flying colors in CA final. I realized that at the start. I could see, yeah, it is little difficult for me to crack it if it's going to be this way. Like there was certain problem. That is not giving priority to studies at the same time with work. Work is important. So 1 year I invested in learning completely. Then later on, when my classes started, I made sure that at least my notes should be complete. These are minimum things you have to take care while classes during articleship. So I knew that later point of time, if I have to refer, I want to refer my books because when you write it, you will understand it well. Many people, what they do is they don't write notes and they take the copies of other students or whoever writes it. This is also not right. You are supposed to maintain your own notes. It's better for you. And next thing is like at the end, basically near to your study leave for that matter, and like near to your exams. That is more main period because that time there are high chances that you'll remember what you have done. So main thing is in your last year of articleship. So it is like if you see the trend, first year of articleship, I was focused more on learning what is new, and it's new, so it will be a little challenging even in your articleship to get used to what is there because everything is new. It's first time you are getting to, and since I have chosen Big Four, I knew that I will have to be committed to that equally, and I'll have to learn much more new things here, a little different with lots of efforts in it. I knew that already. So already in my mind, I made my mind prepared that yeah, during my articleship, I will have to focus equally here and there. So, and even I used to communicate the same thing to my managers. As such, if I had classes, yeah, I will. So sometimes you'll have to give up on sleep sometimes, but you can cover it later. So that way it was manageable, but I didn't compromise on my classes anytime. So that was main important thing during articleship, and yeah, healthy discussions actually. So relating to subjects, what we usually should do during articleship is, since you have peers, you have many people in your CA firm, irrespective of being Big Four or anywhere, you'll find CAs who have qualified or newly qualified. So I used to be having communication with the rankers. So basically the previous attempts and all, I used to be in contact with them as well. So what I used to do, I was making a preparation plan for my study leave as well. What I'll have to read, what are so certain books to refer, how to study. These are certain small things which you can take care with conversations during your articleship itself. So I had certain notes and all, speaking with people, what they have done, something new, which I can adapt. These all things you can do during your articleship. These all things like discussions, healthy discussions during study, explaining each other. these are things I knew that these techniques I can retain. So basically, your aim should be understanding and retaining things for a very long period, which our human brain is not made for. So you have to find out certain creative ways of learning that will help you to retain during articleship mainly. Again, there is a different ball game when it comes to study leave. What was even I wanted to share certain techniques so subject wise may like any student can crack the CA final using this techniques like audios and all. Studies manage ki, so basically I got serious at the end of the article. ये एग्जाम लीव मेरे को दिसंबर से मिली थी तो उसके 3-4 महीने पहले I became a little more serious, started studying even in the night irrespective of the season which we had at the work. तो रात में ना रिवाइज करना लाइक कंपल्सरी रिवाइज करने का था. सुबह जो भी क्लासेस लेती थी, सुबह क्लासेस चलती थी मेरी, लाइक इट्स लाइक ऑलमोस्ट ऑफ माय आर्टिकलशिप पीरियड, लाइक आई गेस 1 year 1.5 year के बाद आई स्टार्टेड टेकिंग क्लासेस एंड आई मैनेज्ड टू कंप्लीट बिफोर स्टडी लीव पूरे क्लासेस.